Hey there, Derm Babes. Welcome back. And today we're diving into the exciting world of skincare entrepreneurship. If you've ever dreamed of creating your skincare line, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to explore the essential steps to start your skincare line. So let's get started. Hi, my name is Dr. Nana Boachi. I'm a board certified dermatologist based in New Jersey, and I have a teledermatology practice where I see patients in multiple states. I'm also a lifestyle dermatologist because I truly enjoy educating and guiding my patients on how lifestyle impacts your skin health. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our informative content. All right, let's get started. I may know a thing or two about making skincare products. My journey began back in 2016 when I started my skincare line with my sisters called Karité. I started this line because I was seeing a lot of patients with contact dermatitis in my office due to various allergens, such as propylene glycol, fragrance, and many more. And I was underwhelmed with the moisturizers over the counter because they were filled with allergens. I mentioned this problem to my sisters in my mother's kitchen and stated I wish we could take the shea butter that we grew up using from Ghana and make it more cosmetically elegant. At that moment, I took out my mom's KitchenAid and whipped up some shea butter. I knew at that point we were onto something, and this is how Karité was born. In addition to that, I am the dermatology director for John Legend's line, Love One, which is a moisturization line for melanin-rich skin tones. Proudly with Gabrielle Union and Dwayne Wade for their baby care line for melanin-rich skin, and Kinlo, which is a sunscreen and sun recovery line founded by Naomi Osaka. So let's get started about skin entrepreneurship, understanding the basics. Before we jump into details, let's make sure we're all on the same page. What exactly is a skincare line? Traditional skincare focuses on products. In my opinion, it's not just about the creams and the serums. I like taking more of a holistic approach to skincare. As a lifestyle dermatologist, it's all about understanding the broader context, like diet, stress, and overall well-being. Identifying your niche. So where do you start? The first step is to identify your niche. Maybe you're passionate about organic skincare, anti-aging solutions, or maybe just treating acne. Your expertise will help you stand out in a crowded market. So choose a niche that aligns with your knowledge and values. Market research. Once you've found your niche, it's time to dive into market research. Get to know your target audience and understand their unique skincare needs. You can use surveys, social media polls, and direct customer feedback to gather valuable insights. Formulating products. Now let's talk about the heart of your skincare line, your products. It's crucial to work with a dermatologist or a cosmetic chemist to ensure your formulations are safe and effective. Remember, quality ingredients are key, whether they're natural or scientifically backed. Branding and packaging. Your brand identity sets the stage for success. A strong brand creates trust and recognition. So choose a unique name and invest in eco-friendly, aesthetically pleasing packaging. Make your products stand out on the shelf. Regulation and compliance. Don't forget the legal stuff. Familiarize yourself with the FDA regulations, labeling requirements, and the necessary permits. Consulting legal experts or regulatory agencies will keep you on the right side of the law. Manufacturing and sourcing. You have manufacturing options, whether you produce your skincare products in-house or partner with a manufacturer. Quality control and product testing are non-negotiable. And don't forget to source high-quality ingredients responsibly. Marketing and promotion. Ready to get the word out? Your marketing strategy will be your skincare line's best friend. Social media, content marketing, and collaborating with influencers are just a few strategies to consider. Building an engaging online presence is a must. Customer education. Educating your customers is a key to your success. You can guide them on proper skincare routines and overall well-being. We've covered a lot today, and I hope you're feeling inspired and well prepared to embark on your skincare line journey. Remember, it's more than just about the products, it's about the holistic approach to skincare. Embrace your niche, follow the regulations, and educate your customers. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow skincare enthusiasts. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for joining me today. We'll see you next time for more valuable insights, and remember, radiant skin is a lifestyle.